Welcome to CMG video. Again, I'm going to do another video. This time it's to replace the Gator or the CV boot on the inner. As you can see, mine was cracked, and this is the old one. And to take this out, it's not hard. It's just a little time consuming. Is you have to take out the center bolts here. There's a little notch there. You unnotch it, and then what you want to use is a 32 mil socket. While somebody steps on the brake, and you loosen the screw. Then the other thing you got to do is you got to take out the lower control arm. If you see here, in order to be able to give you enough room to take out the axle. So I unscrewed it here. There's a nut that goes underneath here, and try to tap it with a hammer. If it doesn't come out, you'll need a puller. I have to use this puller, so you put the puller right here, and you tighten it, and it pops out of the way. This way, it gives you plenty of room to take out the axle. And to get this new CV boot, this is the inner one, is obviously you got the clips here. You got to take off the old clips, and then you have to take this top part off. And the way to do that, as you can see with a pair of pliers, you stretch it out, and then this will slide right off, and then you'll be able to get the new boot on. What I've done is I purchased it from Auto Car Parts, and what I'll do is I'll put a link, and this is a kit. It comes with a new boot, which is on here already, and some new grease that I'm going to dump in there. So this needs to be greased, and then you can just slide it back in there. As you can see, it now it's pretty easy to slide in there, just in there, just like that. And then you put the new clip on there, which also comes with a new clip. I don't know where it is. But yeah, it comes with a new clip. Oh, it's right here. A new clip for here, and then a new clip for there. And once that's on there, then you'll be able to slide it back into a spot here and put it into the hole here. What I'll do is in the description, I'll put in the torque specs for the bolt that needs to go on there. And that's pretty much it. Just want to show another quick video. So I'm not going to put it in there yet because I've got to throw the grease in here. And then just work it up like that. Again, very simple to do the Gator CV boot inner. You can probably do the same for the outer one, but my outer one's still good, so I need this replaced. And it's pretty simple. So I'm going to dump the grease in there, put it back in there, and just clip it all up and put it all back together. And I'll put the torque specs here, and then the torque specs for the big bolt, and then what you have to do is notch the little notch again into the bolt there. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, and check out some of my other videos on the Mini, Range Rover, Mercedes, and the BMW. Again, thanks. Cheers. Until the next one.